Hey guys, today we are going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase L. Here is the uppercase L. You can make an uppercase L with your left hand, putting it up in the air and putting your thumb out and your pointer finger up. To write an uppercase letter L, we are going to do two steps. Our first step is to draw a straight line down. Without lifting up our finger or our pencil or anything else that we are using to write, we are going to then do a straight line to the right. You can practice at home writing the letter L in the air with your finger or tracing the letter L on your screen. Let's try this again. Get your pointer finger ready. We're going to write the uppercase L. First step, line straight down. Without lifting your finger, we're going to do our straight line to the right. Great job, everybody. Now it's your turn to try without my help. Get your finger ready and go ahead and write the uppercase L. Remember, there are two steps. Nice. If your L in the air written or traced on the screen looks like this, then you are correct. That is an uppercase L. Now let's try writing the lowercase l. The lowercase l is very simple, super easy. It's one step, and all we have to do is draw a straight line from the top to the bottom, a straight line down. So let's try it. Get your finger ready. And now let's draw a straight line down. Pretty simple, right? Great job. Now remember, you can do this however you wish at home. You can use your finger by pointing in the air and writing it in the air with your finger, or you can touch your screen gently and trace the letter L, or you can have your parent help you and actually write it on a piece of paper. Any way you wish will be just fine. So here we go. Get your finger ready. And now we're going to draw one line down, straight down from top to bottom, and then we are done. Great job. All right, let's keep going. You guys are awesome. This time without my help first. Get your finger ready. Remember, the lowercase l is just one step. It's pretty simple. And now it's your turn. Go ahead and write the lowercase l. Now let's do it together. I would like you to put your finger in the air or your finger on the screen, and let's draw our lowercase l. From top to bottom, it is a simple, straight line. And then we are done. Fantastic. Now let's review. Let's write our uppercase L and then our lowercase l. Ready? Get your finger ready. Our uppercase L is two steps. Our first step is a straight line down, and then a straight line across to the right. Now let's move on to our lowercase l. Very easy. Remember, it's just one step. Top to bottom, a straight line. Here we go. Great job. One more time, and this time, I'm not helping you. Go ahead and get your fingers ready. And let's go ahead and write the uppercase L. Remember, it's two steps. If your uppercase L consisted of 2 steps going a straight line down and then one to the right, you are correct. Fantastic. Now let's write our lowercase l. It's very simple, just one step. Go ahead and write your lowercase l. If your lowercase l was a straight line down, then you did it correctly. Amazing job, everyone. And that concludes our lesson today on writing the uppercase and lowercase l.